We are studying about Maria Sharapova, and you may take page number 106. We are in the 9th paragraph. Like any number of teenage sensations, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. So she it is about her hobbies or interest. Okay, so she most of the people, especially in the teenage children or people, they are interested in these things, and she is also interested in somewhat similar things are there, like fashion. Small teenage children or teenage people, especially girls, they are so much interested in fashion, so they want to be appearing in different fashion or different hairstyles or like a nail polish or so many type of things they try to make it and show it in a means you have to present yourself as an attractive way. So that is the character, or that is the nature of the children of especially at the age of teenager, and she was also having such kind of interest. Then singing and dancing. So if you ask anybody, mostly like this age, younger generation people, many are interested in singing as well as dancing. If you are going for a marriage function and all, they start dancing, or when you meet your friends, classmates, especially girls and all, they are so much interested in when they are studying in the colleges and all, if there are any functions or programs, they want to participate in the competitions and participate in dance or singing. These two are the some of the interested things. So these are the some of the common hobbies of the like a 20-25 age people. So she was having all this, and she loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. So Arthur Conan Doyle is a very famous writer, and his novels, there are so many novels, like interesting novels are written, like like some in India we are having like Chetan Bhagat or such type of very interesting writers are there. So she is so much interested in reading these novels of these people. And these are the common interests. See, like all people, if you ask what is your hobby, they will say that reading is there, or singing, dancing, watching movie, all these type of things are very common hobbies. So, but there are some special hobbies are there, that her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns. Sophisticated means a very attractive, very like a very fashionable type, so very attractive evening gown. So like when you are going for especially like marriage functions and all, these foreigners, in India we are using like people are Indians, or when they go for a marriage function, they wear sari and go, So some people are some like Indian girls or ladies, they are having so much craziness towards the saris. They purchase sari for every function. So if there is if Diwali is there, they'll purchase one sari. Then after that, they are not commonly using it. Even if they spend some 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 rupees for purchasing one sari, and after that they use it for only one marriage function, or they use it very rarely only. So like in that there are also like some mirrors or glass, or some shining things, some stones and different kind of things are attached there, very heavy things and all are there. So they are wearing it. So and wearing it is not very easy, So wearing a sari, normally they are wearing normal saris, they will be wearing, but wearing this one in only for some official functions or any special occasions, people are wearing. And after that they keep it. When I was studying in 12th class, I had a teacher. She used to wear, means 11 and 12, 2 years I studied, but I never saw her in a same sari 2 times. Means 2 years I studied, and every day she used to wear different saris. Okay, so I don't know from where she is collecting or from where she is getting all this now. And all are very nice saris. So I think all her salary she is spending on saris. Otherwise, how they will be able? Every day I am coming, whenever we come to the class, new day, then she will be with a new sari. So here we are, our teachers are, otherwise our salary also would have been over like that, but since the father has arranged the uniform, so there are only 2 saris required, with that they will manage. Otherwise these ladies, they will have so much interest in purchasing dresses, So she was having so much interest in dresses of like this evening gowns whenever they go for any function, especially like some dinner or any function, evening marriage functions and all are there held in the evening. So when they go for that, these foreigners, they use gowns, full gown you might have seen, like when they are in some marriage functions and all, they are wearing. So such type of gowns are there. So she used to purchase, she used to have a collection of different gowns. So that was her one interest. She used to purchase whenever she go for different functions. She purchased different gowns. And also her love for pancakes with a chocolate spread. A pancake is a type of cake made like the dosa like they are making now. So on the tawa they are making one type of pancake is there. It is almost like that this one pizza like. Okay, so they flat and spreader like that. Then on the top of that some chocolates and all is spread. So different type of like we are getting some like bakery items are there like we can have like dark fantasy or something like that, no? Dark forest or chocolate spread, different type of cakes we are getting. So these some people are interested in some particular type of cakes and so on. So she was also so much interested in this pancakes spreaded with chocolate. Chocolate is covered, chocolate flavored, we can say. And so these are, and also like chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. Fizzy means that air bubbles pressed, no? Like this Sprite, Coca-Cola and all are there. So you can see carbonated ones are there. In that carbon dioxide they are filling, air they are filling, and when you open the bubbles are coming, you might have seen that. So this is, and orange flavored such type of drinks like Mirinda and all you get, na? Mirinda, Fanta, all these type of things are there. So all orange flavored fizzy drinks. So she was interested in these things. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. Of course, money is a motivation. Tennis is a business and a sport. But the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That is the dream that kept me going. So she cannot be like Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. So if she could reach to the position of a very topmost position in the tennis, it is her talent. First thing is that she was talented. She is talented one. Then secondly, she is ready to work hard. Very hard working, as well as the readiness to sacrifice. Okay, so these are the qualities that we need to get in achieving success. So first of all, we should have our talent. We have to find out what is our talent. Everybody is gifted with a different type of talents. But we have to find out what is our talent is. So in which field we will be more suitable. Okay. So all may not be good in studies. So your parents will be telling that you study, but all may not be able to study. Some students are there, some people are there, they study very fast. But some are there, they are spending hours of time, but they are unable to study. And some particular subjects. See, like some students are interested, some people are interested in particular subjects. Some are interested in mathematics. Some are not interested in mathematics at all. So if you tell them to study this subject, they will not be studying. When I was studying, my favorite subject was mathematics and physics. And my complicated subject was history. So if I used to get a very good mark for mathematics and physics, and I used to get only like a border passing like 40% mark and all for history. And my teachers used to scold me, if you can score good mark in 90 mark in this one, mathematics, then why don't you score good mark in this one? But I don't know why I am not getting mark. I am trying to study, but I am not able to score any mark in history. That was my problem. Because I don't remember the numbers, I don't remember the dates, I don't remember the names. Okay. So these three things are the most important things that we have to study in history. So in history there will be a lot amount like different place names are there, different people names are there, or and there are so many dates. World War started this day, and after that ended with this day, and it started from this particular place. If you are writing, see, I know that World War started on this particular reason, but if I write that simply reason, then they will not give mark. We have to write exactly where it started, and see, it is because of this particular person. There will be a name of a person, there will be a name of a place, and there will be 1 or 2 dates. These 3 things I don't remember. And if I try my level best, I worked very hard for remembering these things, but I am unable to remember. Even now, I don't remember many of the dates. If you ask me when is my wife's birthday, also I don't remember very easily. You know, any important dates also I don't remember. It is maybe because I may not try to remember. But see, like mathematical things are there. Like if there is a problem given, I can make solution. There is no need of remembering any dates there. There is no need of remembering any names there. You know. So we can write it. We can even whatever may be the problems given, I can make solution for that. So that was my interest. And my teachers used to scold me because they are thinking that I am getting good mark in mathematics, so I am very clever person. And why don't you get a mark in history? So. But I was trying, but I was unable to study. So like that, there are some students. Some are good in history, but they will never pass in mathematics. You know, some are finding it very difficult. So for me, mathematics was very much interested. I can solve almost all the type of mathematical problems. When it is taught by the teachers, I used to learn it, and I used to practice it, and I found it very simple. But there are some people, those who are finding it very difficult. So it depends on the nature of people, you know. And I was so much interested in the drawing, art, painting, and so on, all these type of activities. And I asked my father to teach me art. Then he scolded me. You go and study first. After that, you will see whether to study art or not. And I could not get chance there. And after that, I was interested in sports. And I got some prizes in the school, inter-school competitions and so on. And I got a selection in the district team. And out of 5, we 5 of us were selected for the team. And we had to go for the practices and all. And I went for at least some 6 months, I went for practices. Then after that, I was having some troubles with my stomach. Then I met with the doctor, then they said that you stop practice for at least 15 to 1 month time. Then I had to stop that. And during that time when I used to go for the practices, my studies have gone down. So my father has told that you need not to go for sports, you go for studies. And out of these 5, other than me, all other 4 members are now in government job, those who were in sports. And I did not get any government job because I did not have any sports quota and all. I studied, but I did not get any government job. Okay, I tried also, but it is not that easy to get. First of all, I was in general. Those people had some reservations and so on. So they had first advantage is that. Secondly, they were in sports category. So sports quota special it is there. So if you are participating in any national level or state level competitions, you will get an advantage for that. So I was also having a chance there. But my parents did not send me, and they told me that you have to study, only studying you will be successful. Okay, so such a way we have to find out what is our interest. You know, so there are different people, those who are having interest in different fields. If your parents are telling that you have to study engineering, and if you are not interested in physics or mathematics, you will not be successful in engineering. There are lots of people, those who have completed engineering and running shops or just moving here and there without any job. You know, some are going for doctorate. And if you want to be good in if you want to become a doctor, you should be expert in biology and especially dealing with this catching frog and cutting it and all these type of things. You know, so I was very not interested. I was not interested in biology when I was studying in this one. The teachers told that we have to collect cockroach and we have to collect. Now these things are not there. I think, na? Now they are collecting flowers and all. You know, probably animals. When we were studying, we had to collect a cockroach, we had to collect frogs, and go and cut open this one and open out, take out those things inside of all the organs and so on. All these type of things were there. So I was so much afraid of these things. When I see this cockroach itself, we will get afraid, you know. Or frog, going for catching frog is very complicated job. Okay, and after that bringing it and you have to nail it, you know, both hands like that, both legs like that, and you have to, means on the table is given, one cardboard thing is there, on that they will pin it with this one, like crucifix, both hands that side, both legs like this, and they will cut, operate it, you know. So these things were very much, I would say, horrible, like, you know, I was not interested in those things. And I used to, physics means I can do something like motor current and all these things, gear and their connection and all this, then means I can do something. But this one was not very interesting for me. I never liked it. Physics I was interested, making some graphs, all these things was interested for me. And for these records used to be made. You know, when I was studying, my hobby was to make records of other students. You know, so I was good in art. So my friends used to give me all these records. I was studying in commerce batch, but I was the one who made most of the science projects. You know, I was in science commerce, but many of my friends science project was made by me. Even though I did not study any of science, but I know all the pictures in that. So they used to give me, and they like a book, they will show this picture you have to make. So I used to make and give to them. So these are there. So people, those who are having different qualities are there, and we have to find out what is our talent, and we should work hard for developing our talent. Simply, I am telling that I am having a good talent. This one is there. I am good in singing, or I am good in dancing, or whatever may be the talent that you are having. Nowadays, we are having a lot amount of opportunities. You know, earlier when we were there and all, we did not have much opportunities. We had to go. There are no mobile phones. There are no WhatsApp or Facebook. All these type of things and all were not there. So we had to go for some competition, some newspaper and all. If we have selected, then some newspaper and all, our photo and all may be listed if the best ones are there. But now if you make any kind of painting, you can paste it in WhatsApp or Facebook, and you will get so much popularity. People get appreciation and all. You get people, others will be liking and making comments, or this type of things are there. So you get a popularity in that. So you can do so many type of activities that, like in lockdown situation, there are so many people, they make some dancers, some singing and some kind of programs and all they perform, and they take a video of that and upload in YouTube or Facebook, WhatsApp, all these things, they share it. So such a way they make a lot amount of things. So nowadays there are plenty of options are there, and so you have to make use of this talent. First of all, we have to study and understand what is our hidden talent, what are the qualities that we are having, and we should try to develop these talents, not simply finding out, but we should motivate, we should try to develop these talents and try to work hard for achieving success. Then only we will get success. Otherwise, we will not be simply sitting there and thinking that success will come, then it will not come. So we have to chase it, we have to find it out. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. So, and she is like tennis is a very expensive game, as well as it is having so much the winning game. The prices that they are getting is very much heavy. Means very high prices are there. Only one person is there. So like cricket, if you are getting 10 crore rupees as a prize money. Okay, so 10 crore rupees if you are getting as a prize money for a match, there are around 15 players are there. 11 are playing, some 4 are in the benches, or so 4, 5, some 15 to 16 players are there. Then the coach is there, then a team manager is there, so many other people are there. So this money will be distributed among all the members. So one person may be getting some 50 lakh or 70 lakh like that. So different amount of money they are getting. But in tennis, if 5 crore rupees is received, entire 5 crore rupees, in that 1 crore rupees will be given for some other person, but this money fully belongs to one person, single person. So that is why, and the prize money of this one is very high. Okay, so, and especially when you reach a world number 1 championship and all, the prize money is very huge one. And people will be, and only one person or 2 person, maximum 2 people are only there, so they can get all this money. And especially when they become famous, see the more than the prize money, they get advertisement expenditures are there. So if like Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni and all, they are acting in so many ads, advertisements are there. So they act in that and they get lakhs of rupees. More money that they get is from ads than the game even. See, like they are having monthly like a salary is there. Government is providing them salary, monthly salary will be there. And especially when they are like IPL like matches and all are there. So at that time they will conduct an auction. So according to the players, if the player is very powerful, then more money can be there. So how much talent the person is having, based on that they get the money. Individual scoring and all is there. So you might have seen that auctions and all conducted. So see, like in different teams are conducting auction, and lakhs of rupees or crores of rupees they get. So likewise, now only this cricket and all became this much popular. Earlier this cricket was not there. Cricket was there, but this much popularity was not there for cricket. And this tennis was very famous at that time. And she was getting a huge amount of money. So from the so many income she used to get. And people used to say, like somebody, when a person is becoming successful, there will be so many people to speak bad about that, So if in our own classmate or our own friend is there, and if he is becoming, like imagine that if any person is winning in an election, and if he is genuinely winning, but people will start telling that he used a voting machine, there are some problems there, or he used to give money there, bribe there, or such a way he passed. So people started telling wrong about them. So such a way they was, when she was also getting, and a huge amount of money she was receiving from different sources. So people used to say wrong about that. But what she says about this one is that, of course, money is a motivation. So she says that money is always a motivation, So where we get money, we will be ready to work. If I see like the job that we are doing, so every job we are living now, see like you are studying. It is also your purpose of, what is the purpose of your studies? Do you have any particular purpose? To get a job. What is the purpose of getting job? To get money. So money is the motivation, we can say. If you study nicely, you get a good job. If you get a good job, you will get a good salary. So money is the most important thing, or we can say money is a very, we cannot say that is the only most important thing. If you are having lakhs of rupees or crores of rupees, but if you don't have a peaceful mind, if you cannot enjoy your life, there is no meaning in that. So if you are getting, if you imagine that you are having a big bungalow and big everything is there, but if you don't have a peaceful mind, or if your health is not okay, if your mind is not okay, then there is no any benefit. So we have to be, we need money also, but we need other things. We should have peaceful mind, and we should be ready to work for others. A helpful attitude should be there. Okay, so these are the things that we need to have. So she says that money is the motivation, but tennis is a business and a sport. So for her, tennis is a business as well as a sport. So both are there. Okay, it is not just considered as a business. You cannot simply consider it as a business. It is simply cannot consider it as a sport. Okay, so she says that of course money is a motivation, tennis is a business and a sport, but the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That is the dream that kept me going. So even though money is a motivation and business can be considered as a business, tennis can be considered as a business as well as a sports, but her ambition or her will is to reach to the topmost position in the world. So like I want to be the best player in the world. That is the main thing that she keep in mind, and for that only she is playing. Not only just getting some money or making some money is not the main purpose, but the main purpose is that to become the topmost position in the world. So she was playing for that, and so that is the thing that motivated her, and for that was the dream that she had, and for that dream only she worked hard, and at last she could reach in that position. And even after, see, like once if you reach to the highest position, and being in that position is another important thing. So like if a person, there are so many like film stars are there, or cricket players are there, or whoever may be, they cannot be there for a longer period. So any type of success is there. So any person in the world, if you consider, they will not last for that in that place. They will not be staying for a longer duration. Okay, so once you reach to the topmost position, but after that you will be going down. So such a positions are there. Like Sharapova, she was there. She also reached the topmost position. Then after that, you can see like in the page number 109, there are some list is given. The role of owner of who enjoyed a life at the summit since everybody favorite player. So like see that when it is there ranked on what day and how many weeks they were in the number one position. See like Maria Sharapova, she reached to the topmost position on 22nd August 2005 and only for 1 week she remained in the topmost position. After that she lost this. So she reached on the topmost position but just for 1 week. So every week they will conduct the ranking and just for 1 week. But there are some other people, those who have remained highest in this is Steffi Graf. You can see Steffi Graf, she came on the topmost position 17th August 1987 and 377 weeks she remained on the topmost position. Okay, so there are also other players are there like Lindsay Davenport is on 82 weeks are there. Then Amelia Morenso is 5 weeks there, and Justin Hen Harden 45 weeks. Then like that there are so many people are there. So they like Martina Hingis, Switzerland reached in the topmost position on 31st March 1997 and she was there for 209 weeks. She was on the topmost position. Then next last one is there like Martina Navratilova is there on 331 weeks and Chris Evert is 362 weeks. Okay, so these are the different places, so number of weeks. She reached on the topmost position, but she could remain only just 1 week time. Okay, but all others are there. They remained in the topmost position for a very longer duration. Okay, so this is about the chapter. Okay, so these two, and we can say like there is a column given in the this one, like 107 page number. Working in small groups of 4 or 5, go back over to the two passages on Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova and complete the table given below with the relevant phrases or sentences. So you can make a comparison between the life of Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Both of them are girls. Both of them achieved success in a very small age. Both of them came from a very poor and background, not poor, but we cannot say that, but they had to struggle a lot of complications in their life. So you can just read these two paragraphs. Two writings are there. One is about Santosh Yadav and one is about Maria Sharapova, and you can go through, see like their humble beginning. Both of them were starting from their humble beginning. So you can find out a suitable sentence for in order to mention how she was beginning. Both of them, like Santosh Yadav, what was her beginning, and Maria Sharapova, what was her beginning, and their parents' approach. Okay, so you can see that their parents' approach is extremely different for both. So for Santosh Yadav, her parents were not ready, or their parents were not supporting. They were not ready to come along with her, and she had to leave her home and go, and she practiced everything alone, without getting the permission of her parents. But for Maria Sharapova, the parents were very much supportive. So her father was ready to take her to US at the age of 9, and he worked there all day and night and gained money. And her mother also, she had to leave her and stay at the back in her own hometown. So there was so much amount of struggles that the parents had taken. Their willpower and strong desire to succeed. Both of them had a strong willpower and a desire to succeed. Evidence of their mental toughness. Both of them were having mental toughness, and their patriotism. Both so when Santosh Yadav reached on the top of the world, she lifted up the national flag and hoisted it, and she says that she felt very much happy to see that the Indian national flag is flying on the top of the world, and she is the reason. So she was feeling so much excited to say that. And this Maria Sharapova also, she says that when she is belonging to Russia and she want to participate in the Olympics for Russia if the country allows, so she always say that patriotism feeling is there for both the people. So you can find some sentences related to that and write in this one. Okay.